How to make the passive voice of past continuous tense and when. As you know, we talk about the continuous tense when something is continue, or if we talk about the past, then something was continue. Yesterday something was continue, an action was continue. This morning an action was continue. Last night an action was continue. So in any past time something was continue, we speak the continuous tense, past continuous tense. So when we talk about something, that something was going on in the past, somebody was doing something in the past, the people were doing something in the past, but we do not want to mention the subject, then we speak the sentence in passive form. In passive form, first of all we speak the object, the thing that we talk about. After that we speak was being or were being. Was being is spoken for all singular things like I was, he was being, she was being, or something was being. And were being is spoken for plural things like they were being, we were being, the people were being. And after that we speak the verb in third form. Let's make some examples. My house was being painted yesterday. If somebody asks you, where were you yesterday? You say that my house was being painted. Means somebody was painting my house. But I do not want to mention the person who was painting my house. And there is no importance of the person who was painting. So I spoke that my house was being painted. So I was busy at home, I did not come. The people were being rescued. Means the people were in trouble and some other people came and they rescued them. But I do not want to mention the persons who rescued. But I am talking about, and I want to talk about the people who were in trouble. So I said that the people were being rescued yesterday, or the people were being rescued in such and such place. I spoke the object first, then was being or were being, and after that I spoke the third form of verb. Okay, you can make more examples by yourself now. Thank you so much for watching the video.